Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, we're going to go look at the fitness center here at the East Quarter Residences, and we're going to start over here. So we, first of all, on the left, I'm already noticing there's a really cool yoga room. We're going to pop into that and take a look. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at the floor that's here. Wow, and it's got the original building part still here, all the brick. Really fun to see this, but it has the modern lighting. And then look at all of these. Oh my goodness. So this is quite a little screen here, so you can do quite a bit of stuff in here, and you can just pull up that, a channel, or you can pull up a routine up there and follow along with the TV. That's pretty cool. But then this is just this, and now let's actually go into the studio, or sorry, into the fitness center itself. So the fitness center is pretty cool. It's really big. You can see the weight equipment that's here. There's quite a bit of weight equipment. So there's looks like leg press, a Smith machine that's over there. You can see there's ellipticals, treadmills that are over here. Pretty cool. It's got a really nice flooring here too. This is a really beautiful flooring. It's got a lot of equipment over here too. This is very cool. Man, really big Smith machines, a lot of weights. There's more weights over here too, and kind of another studio that's over here. It's pretty amazing. You got some kettlebells over here too. So it's a really big facility. What I like is a lot of weight equipment that's here. It's really cool to see this. So it's very cool in here. It smells great also. It's a really cool place. Also, we do have some towels that are ready here for you too. I'd say this is an A facility, fitness center. It's going to have a lot of things that you need. You may not even need any kind of additional fitness center with this. It really does have a lot. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.